Hello, today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on the Apple Watch. So, first of all, you need to turn on the screenshot option on the Apple Watch, and it doesn't matter what Apple Watch do you have, it's going to work the same on the all Apple Watches. So, you can do this through the Watch app or through the Apple Watch. I'm going to show you both options. So, on the Apple Watch, you need to go to the settings by pressing the digital crown to go to the app view and press on the settings. And now you want to go to the general and go down a little bit to find the screenshots. And you need to enable the screenshots. And now go back. And now if you want to do a screenshot, you need to just press the two buttons of the Apple Watch at the same time once. As you can see, the screenshot was taken. And also, if you want to do through the Watch app, just go to the Watch app, make sure that you're connected to the watch that you want to enable this option, because you can have many Apple Watches connected to your iPhone. Go to the general and go to the setting that is enable screenshots and make sure that this is on. And this is it. All the screenshots are going to be displayed in your photos. As you can see, that was the screenshot that I took before. So, thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit a like and hit a subscribe. Bye!